Oops. I want to talk about three things about love. In fact, I call it the heart of love. There are three things in the heart of love. Stay tuned so that you will use it to measure whether your love is true, real or not. If now let me go deep in romantic love now. Romantic between a man and a woman, a husband and a wife. Ụmụ na mmadụ akụ m ife ndị agas. So achọghị m ịkpọrọ gị gị na boyfriend and girlfriend ma ọ gbasa ha ọrụ. Nọrọ na that level. Ka m bata na level of married people, man or woman, ebe a kwadoro ka a na-enwe romantic love. Ọ mụ kwude. Okay, darlings. The heart of love nwere three things that will push it and make it real. Don't mind me for that talk and talk. Ọ bụkwa na ọ nwekwa ka o si dị gawakwa o, agekwana m ntị. It is allowed o. Ọkacha ọ bụrụ na in a serious relationship, dating for courtship and all that. Go ahead, my darling. He's welcome. Okay, so like I said, the heart of love were three things, the major ingredients which may experience real love. The first one, let me just list them. Time would say, gaze deep into it. The first one, vulnerability. Vulnerability. The second one is trust. Trust. And the third one is commitment. Commitment. Ask me. Jụzie m ka m kọwara gị ihe a ji bụrụ the three things that must be in the heart of love. Vulnerability. What are you loving if you're not vulnerable? Love makes you soft. Love makes you vulnerable. Maka ndị na-eme macho, kanji, women of I'm independent, I won't show you my feelings. Vulnerability. Show that feeling. Go vulnerable. Vulnerability is like going naked. Most people can physically go naked, but emotionally, mentally, psychologically, spiritually, many people easy. You don't even need to talk. Before you name it yourself, go. There are many people that can easily throw away clothes, go naked in front of anybody. But when it comes to where the real thing happens, emotional bonding, spiritual bonding, psychological, mental bonding, zero. How will you begin to bond when you are not open? When you're not vulnerable? Vulnerability makes bond gel up because you soften down like soldering. When you want to solder something, two irons together, you solder it, you melt it. They melt, you gum it together, they stick together, has stick like this, they form a strong bond, inseparable. That is what vulnerability does. And again, it requires two parties to be vulnerable at the same time for a strong bond to exist. Often that one party alone is vulnerable, that cannot bond. The other one, that one, the vulnerable, they'll be eating you out. Dry again. That one, not the strong that refuse to melt. It's okay, before you know what is happening, or drain, you will be gone. You will be gone. When they vulnerable together, when you melt out, you bond, you gel back up, and you are strong. Your bond is unbreakable. Very strong bond. So ị bụrụ nwoke, ị bụrụ nwanyị, ị na-eme machos, nne gị sị gị, nna gị sị gị, otu akwụ nwoke si adị, ime nke ibe akwa, igosi emotion, ịma mbụzi nwoke. Ị bụrụ nwanyị, ịdị soft, ị na-emezi onwe gị cheap. Let me tell you, unless ma ọ na gị na nwoke anwa ma ọ gị na nwaanyị anwa abụrụ di na nwunye, ọ bụrụ unu Chukwu edeghọrọ unu to be together for life, unless nọ na force onwe unu na afụ onwe unu n'anya, unless ma nature ma destiny achọghị unu together. If destiny has brought you together and unu ma na two of you are meant for each other, forget nne gị, forget nna gị, society asịkwa gị, culture ga-asịkwa gị, ndị enyi ọkacha all this peer pressure, ndị ma social media pressure, ndị enyi ga-asị gị, ndị nna ga-asị gị. My dear, that marriage, that union, that relationship is just the two of you. And two heads are better than one. Or buru na other work. Why don't you think that two of you, your brains is insufficient for that relationship? Just the two of you. Two of you not done even no chore. And decide to be vulnerable together. Emotionally naked together. Physically, spiritual. Most of you name it just physical. nakedness, piam, piam, piam. And that's the last. That's the most shallow bond of it all. The deeper one is spiritual, emotional, mental, psychological. Physical is the last. Mana pụta na-ebube physical ụzọ. Gbaa zero na ndị ọzọ niile. Ya. Onye na-aga piam, no strong bonding. From experience ka m ji ekwu ihe a. All mistake meburu bụ wee bond with onye adịghị vulnerable. Onye ya, onye enwekwughị sense of reasoning, sense of proper values. It was a mismatch, a very bad one. But that was in the days of my naivety and ignorance, and not anymore, because I've learned from that mistake. Okay? So now, that time I was just the only vulnerable one, and the person is not ready to even gel up. I was being drained to the point of getting sapped up. But here didn't even come. I have to call myself to order, call a break, and took a break out of it to avoid getting broken. And that is why Nna bounces back now for my own good. So I'm telling you the same. This thing has taken so long and we're still just on vulnerability, because that vulnerability is very important. And all that vulnerability can yield to that next one, which is trust. You feel the vulnerable for somebody or trust. And in the process of vulnerability, can trust is because man goes on that need afraid of to be so soft and gentle, show your real emotions, show your real self, out of fear, because most human beings are wicked. You justify your wound, they will pour acid into it, pour hot water into it, tinye pepper in. But this is somebody who goes to your wound, your softness. Wow, maybe you're buying there yourself, treat there, or blow your kisses, love where. Oh my God, your heart is restored, your trust is built. It is in the process of vulnerability. It's a risky thing, no. Love is risky because that vulnerability is highly risky. It's very risky to be vulnerable because imesịa vulnerability onye apụta echi mee gị ihe ọzọ maọbụ ị na-eme so ị ga-adị careful no on the same page. Ọ na-eme ị na-eme ya na-eme, not only you. Jiri uche gị, ọ bụrụ na ọ dabara pụọ, ada force ya force. Mana ọ bụrụ onye a ji obi ya nọdụ n'ebe ị nọ, jiri obi gị nọdụ n'ebe ọ nọ. First thing m ga-agwa onwe m be open and trustworthy and trust each other. Open up, be vulnerable, then that builds your trust. Mgbe ị ga-emesịa ifu na onye ahụ egburo gị na ọ wụrọ gị acid na your wound, na ọ bụghị salt in it, instead ọ calm gị down, mee gị nwee more inner peace, the trust grows. That is the heart of love, vulnerability and trust. Then the next one is commitment. Even if you're vulnerable and you trust, but you know all the self-discipline to stay yourself. I'm here to stay. I'm committed to only this man, to only this woman. You can feel it. You can still feel it. Because here, but you critically pressure, from family, from siblings, from friends, associates, colleagues, even social media pressure, economic pressure, financial pressure, health challenges, physical challenges, security challenges. Here, but you critically, they can be distractions. But you are the one to choose. You choose. Somebody said that love is a choice. Yes, you choose to stay committed to this person. Choose where and always tell it to each other. Have that faith, strong as in. I always know that the best gift one can have is to have even one good friend you can trust for life, with your life. Don't be afraid to put your life in the hands of somebody. It's an experience. It's an experience, a worthy experience, worthy risky. But love will make you do that. And if you're lucky, when you go on Ezeku, two of you will do it at the same time, then buckle up, lock up the whole world. Bye-bye. Two of you against the world. Makandi Maihe. Why marriage na-arụ? Marriage ndị ma ihe bụ two of them lock up aka kum against the world. Ị na-agwa ha okwu na-emekwa ka ya sị na ha dị bua, but you're your own. Ị pụọ, they are together one against all of you, the whole world. Okay? Otu aka esi eme ya. So the heart of love, vulnerability, trust, and commitment. Even if you're vulnerable from here to Genesis and Exodus, they didn't wait trust from here to Sokoto. When you don't have self-discipline to maintain commitment, you can still lose that relationship. You can still lose that love. You can still lose that marriage. So these are the three things in the heart of love. Let us be wise and properly guided. And I wish us the best of luck in all these things. Have a lovely time, guys. Tomorrow is another day.